At the roundabout, turn right the 4 exit.
Select the right lane. Make sure you don't cut the left lane and don't cross the dotted line on your left. More precisely, stay close to the dotted line on your right. Then you'll approach the curb of the roundabout on the right. When you approach exit number 2, you will have a dotted line on your right. Do not cross the dotted line and let yourself be guided between the dotted lines, which will be the lane in the middle. Your lane will split and to go on exit number 3 and 4. Make sure you pass the exit number 3 and select the lane next to the curb for the 4th exit.